हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मन से मैथ। आज मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ सर्कल चैप्टर जो 10th स्टैंडर्ड में है, उसकी बी एक्सरसाइज की इंट्रोडक्शन। ओके, बी एक्सरसाइज के सम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए क्या आपको बेसिस क्लियर होने चाहिए। फर्स्ट सी दैट द वेरी फर्स्ट इज इफ इट इज अ सर्कल, ओके, ए बी and CD are two chords of the circle such that both are equal. Okay, suppose O is the center of the circle. O is center of circle. Okay, and given that AB is equal to CD, means AB and CD are two equal chords of a circle. Okay, equal chords subtends equal angles at the center. Means these two angles will also be same. Means angle AOB is equal to angle COD. The first condition, equal chords subtends equal angles at the center. Okay, this is very first property which we should know to do the sums of 17b. Okay, so second C, suppose this is a circle. सर्कल के अंदर हमने इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ की है, ए बी सी। मीन्स ट्रायंगल ए बी सी इज एन इक्विलेटरल triangle, means all the sides are equal. Okay, suppose here is O is the center of the circle. Okay, and AB, BC, CD are the chords of the circle also. Now, whatever are the sides of the equilateral triangle here, okay, all those three sides are the chords of the circle. Okay, so AB, इन तीनों कोड से जो सेंटर पे एंगल बनेगा वो भी सेम होगा, क्योंकि तीनों के तीनों कोड्स क्या है, इक्वल है। इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल मींस ए बी इज इक्वल टू बी सी इज इक्वल टू सी ए बी से क्या सेंटर पे एंगल बनेगा, ए ओ सी, मीन्स एंगल ए ओ बी, सॉरी ए ओ बी, बी सी से बी ओ सी, दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल बी ओ सी, और सी ए से दिस angle COA. All these angles will be same. Okay, suppose XC. And we know that sum of the angles about a point. Okay, because sum of angles at a point is equal to 360 degree. Means angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COA, all will be of, their sum will be of 360 degree. All we have taken as x. ठीक है, means x plus x plus x, take x degree here, okay, is equal to 360 degree, means 3x degree is equal to x is equal to 360 degree by 3, it will be equal to 120 degree, means x will be equal to 120 degree. Okay, so means angle AOB will be equal to angle BOC is equal to angle COA. All of these three angles are of 120 degree. Okay, means each angle is of 120 degree. Okay, hope this is clear to you. See the next. Okay, so similarly about pentagon, hexagon, octagon. Okay, so pentagon, if they have written regular word here, regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular octagon. Okay, regular means having same sides, means this is five-sided figure, na? This is five-sided figure. Okay, means all the five sides are equal if they have used the word regular over there. Okay, hexagon means six-sided figure. Okay, if they have written regular here, means all the six sides are equal. Okay, octagon means having eight sides, eight-sided figure. If they have used the word regular here, means all the eight sides are equal. Okay, regular pentagon means five equal-sided figure. Regular hexagon means five equal-sided figure. Regular octagon means eight equal-sided figure. So, if they have given that, see, suppose this is a circle, okay, this is the center of the circle. If they have given that AB is the chord of pentagon. It is any of five chords will be there, na? Five sides will be there. Out of those five, okay, suppose one is AB. Okay, chord of regular pentagon. Okay, so means each side of the pentagon, okay, will make equal angles at the center. Okay, equal angle at the center means what would be the one of the angle, as we have calculated in the case of equilateral triangle. Okay, this is circle, this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so A, B, C, what was each of the angle? The total is 360 degree upon number of sides, means 360 degree upon 3, we got 180 degree. Number of sides, or you can take number of angles, both will be same. If three-sided figure is there, obviously three angles will be there. If five-sided figure is there, five angles will be there. Okay, so means we will divide 360 by the number of sides of that regular, okay, polygon. What would be AOB? Okay, means each side of a pentagon will make an angle of 360 degree upon 5. 72 degree, means this angle will be of 72 degree. Okay, if AB is the chord of regular pentagon, then angle made by that cone at the center of the circle will be 72 degree. If they have given that CD is the chord of regular hexagon, this is the chord of regular hexagon. So, angle subtended by this chord at the center of the circle will be, means COD will be equal to 360 degree upon 6. Hexagon is having 6 sides, na? So each angle will be of 60 degree, means each angle at the center of the circle, okay, made by the chords of that regular hexagon will be of 60 degree, means this is of 60 degree. Okay, and if they said that EF, okay, is any of the side of regular octagon, so angle subtended by this chord at the center will be, means EOF will be 360 degree upon 8. That means 45 degree. Okay. Hope this much introduction for the topic is clear to you. Thanks for watching the video.